Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use the Lovable Hoster 100% very legal and official. It's for the limited time. So, if you wanna use this tool lifetime 100% free, so you need to join our WhatsApp channel and also join our VIP Royal membership. So, if you like this video, so just hit the subscribe button. Okay. So let's back to the video, back to the topic. So, first of all, I want to explain what is this tool for and how you can use this tool. Okay, so if I open the Lovable, as you know, there is a lot of people's that using the Lovable to do the vibe coding. Okay, let me open the lovable.dev. Okay, so it's my official account where I do the vibe coding. I create the websites. I'm not coder. I have not learned any language. Okay, so I don't know how to use the codes, how to host the code. Because if I show you, like, I was created this website, Udemy course finder. Okay, I was created this site 6 days ago. Okay, so let me show you. I am on the free plan in front of you. Okay, I have free plan on this account. It will take time. Okay, as in front of you, I have created this website and it's working now. Each and everything. Okay, it's showing the courses. Each, okay, that I have enrolled. It's showing the courses that I have not enrolled yet, and these courses are 100% free. So I create this website with a lot of time, like this element course here. Okay, wait for it and see is it working or not. As you can see, it's 100% free with the coupon, so you can add add to cart here. Okay, so I wanna host this website on my hostinger website. So how you can do it, how you can download the complete source code of this lovable website. So this is our main idea, and then we will compile that source code into our ready-made and easy deployment in the hostinger. So I'm talking slowly because a lot of people that don't much understand English as like me. So I'm trying to speak slowly. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to connect it with the GitHub. Okay, click on the this GitHub button here and click on the connect GitHub. First of all, we need to download the source code of this. So if you don't have connection with the GitHub, so just click on the add connection and connect your new account from here. I have already connected, so I will connect my this GitHub account and click on the connect. Okay, it will take a while. Push code to GitHub. That's it. Okay, now click on the view on GitHub. So it's over complete source code of this website. Okay, but the main thing is that it's private. First, if you wanna directly, there's the two way to compile the codes in a ready-made website. Because as in front of you, if I show you this website from here, so there is a lot of the features that need the SQL setup, that needs the other setup, that I don't know how to do it because I'm not a coder. So if you are not a coder and you wanna set up your project on the hostinger and make these files to ready-made. Okay, so as in front of you, there is JS language, JS and TS mean TypeScript, and other languages that I don't understand how to use it and how to do it. Okay, so I was created this project 2 year ago. So as in front of you, I was updated last week. Okay, so how you can do it? There is the two way. You need to use my tool now. I will provide you the download link of my tool. Okay, just open this tool from here. Click, you just open that exe file and run as administrator. Okay, So just wait for this. So when you will open this tool, sorry, my PC is getting slow. So you need a username and a security key. Okay, so I will provide you the security key and the username in the description or in the comment box. Okay, so just copy these username and description from there. So it's our uh, username and it's our security key. Okay, if you wanna buy a license for the lifetime, so click on this button and you will redirect to our WhatsApp directly. Okay, so I am providing you 1 day free lessons. You can use it for 1 day 100% free. Okay, click on verify and active. Okay, 23 hours left to uh, use this website, use this tool 100% free. Okay, so it's asking to join VIP Royal membership. If you are still in the free membership, so join our VIP Royal membership to get more custom tools, 100% legal and official, and 100% free for the lifetime. Okay, so here is two option to import the data. Okay, first one is the local dictionary. Like you can do the first step like this: click on this code and click on the download zip. Okay, when you download the zip file, so just wait for it. Okay, so just open this from here and extract all and extract. Okay, so it will extract all the data that you can't understand how it is. Okay, so I don't know how to host this. If you directly host this, so it will not work. If you open the index.html file directly, so you'll find nothing here. Okay, so there is a lot of the techniques and things that we need to do in this code, but our tool do it in just some seconds. Okay, so configure the project target, click on the browse local and select this download and select this folder from here. Okay, select folder and now click on the initialize build sequence. So it will install all the each and everything that your code needs to be custom or to be ready made deployment. Okay, so it will provide you a folder where you'll find the files. Okay, just wait, you can step forward from the step and just wait for it. I'm waiting for it. It can take a while, so no worry. If you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, YouTube channel, and Telegram channel, so join now. It's 100% free to join. Okay, don't wait and join our WhatsApp channel now for more updates, for more each and everything that you think will be 100% free for you. I'm just waiting for it. It's compiling the system. If your system have not downloaded the like the some demanding languages like JS, if your system have not JS, have not Node.js, so it will automatically install in the background and will compile your code in some minutes or seconds. Okay, so my system have not these languages, so it will compile first of all those Node.js and each and everything that it needs to compile the code, and then it will provide the output. Okay, so until I open my hostinger panel, so here in my S panel. Okay, so I wanna host this website on this temporary domain. Okay, so I have already tried a website of my Arcane archives on it, click on the dashboard, and how to host the files in the hostinger. It's a method, it's a way. Click on the files, you'll find a file manager option here. Click on the access file of your domain. So I open this one, and next click on the public HTML and delete all the files from here. Okay, and when it will complete, it will give you a folder, a target folder. It's taking a lot of time, I don't know why. Yes, building the final distribution. Okay, if your laptop or PC have not installed the languages, so it will install, it will take time, so don't worry and just wait for the software, because it's a large and huge process to compile all the languages in some files. Okay, well, we have completed our Udemy grammar here, and we have our dist folder here. Now copy all these files and paste it into the hostinger. Okay, I have pasted this into the hostinger. Well, so here as in front of you, if I refresh this website, so it becomes Udemy grammar website. Okay, as in front of you that I was showed you, this website is working as I want. Yes, the pop-up here, the settings here, the history here, each and everything that we need, that we 100% working. Okay, so if you just need to leave it. It's very hot here in the Multan, and I don't want to talk much more because there's a not electricity, and I am uh, not able to speak more and more. So I think you get the point how to do it. And if you wanna do it, like, you just copy the GitHub link and paste it into the tool. Okay, this GitHub, and select the location where you want this folder. So I want this folder in this music, and initialize build. It will give you the error. It's not showing the error because it's the private. You need, first of all, you need to make it public, and then it will initialize. Okay, I click on the initialize and it's nothing. And if I make this repo public from the settings and change visibility and change to the public, yes, I have make repo public. So it's asking for the password, click on the confirm, and our GitHub is the public now. And if I do it now, wait for it, we need to click on the back to the code, refresh this link, and now copy this link and paste it here. uh, maybe we need to close it and then try it again. Our repo is public now. Click on the GitHub repo, paste it here, select the private location where you want to compile this data. Like, I want to compile this data on the in the download select folder, and click on this one. It's compiling now. Okay, it's compiling now. It will compile very fast with this link, and if you go with the local directory, it will be a little bit slower. Okay, so if you like this tool, hope so you like this video, and this tool will be very helpful for you to host all the data, all the GitHub websites that you have created and not know how to host that files if you are not a coder. So it will very help to host all these files. Okay, so hope so you like this video. If you like this video, so it's just like the video and hit the subscribe button. Okay, take care, bye bye.